In this video, we will see how to duplicate pages and posts in WordPress site. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to always get updates when new content is added. Click Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. In the plugin page, search for Duplicate Page. Install the plugin and activate it. Next, head to Pages and click All Page in the dashboard. Next, hover over any page and you will see Duplicate option below it. Click on it to duplicate the page. You can find a duplicate page of the demo page. Click Quick Edit and change the title and slug for the page and update the draft, or you can publish it here. Next, you can click and edit the page title or the main content in the content section and publish it. You can preview changes to confirm the published page. Similarly, we can duplicate posts too. Head to Dashboard. Click All Posts under Posts tab. Next, select the post you wish to duplicate. You can change title and the URL-friendly slug. You can select or deselect categories and add or edit post tags here and save the changes to the draft. To change the main content of the post, click Edit Link under the post and change the main content in the content section and publish it. Preview changes to confirm published post. Here we are. Our post is done in no time. I hope you liked watching the video. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.